Right, hey guys, how are we doing? Back with another video from Devil Artemis. Today we're checking out the perfect blade. So we've had the perfect saber, which is the sword that Saber uses in Fate, right? I think this had the keyblade on it from Kingdom Hearts. So let's see where this goes, shall we? The perfect blade. Okay.
So, I'm just as confused as you are. Oh, about the knight in the middle of our ring? Or perhaps the giant heart-shaped moon over the arena? I was talking about the creepy dudes watching us with the trench coats, actually. What the hell? Maybe they're waiting for you to make a move.
What's going on?
On what, Kermit? The knight? Well, it ain't happening! You hear me? You pervs! I think they want you to fight him, Cell. Kermit, I don't fight. You know, if I may be honest, Cell, I think you can take him. Oh, don't you do that? Do what? Stroke my ego. No, I'm serious. For all we know, that guy could be level 1. Right, the music doesn't exactly scream level 1 energy, Kermit. So what you're saying is you're a bitch? Nice one. Hey, wait a minute. Look, just take this. You'll be fine.
Nice.
What the hell is this? A blade. Allegedly. That is a key. A key
blade.
So, that is a fucking key. Well, I have like a size 15 shoes to match it if you want.
Nice.
Get it in my face! But it does magic! Can it make me not vegan?
Whoa.
Nice throw!
Oh, we got another Kermit song on the way. That's like a yearly thing, isn't it? Cool. That stats look cool running through the blade. Like, what? That was bust. So what you're saying is, you're a bitch. Awesome. Awesome. Anyway, thanks to my patrons. If you want to have your name at the end of every video, upload links in the description to the Patreon page. $1 more or less as well. So it's greatly appreciated. Thank you very much for that. Thank you all for watching. What do you guys think of that? What do you guys think of this? Click like, subscribe, and leave comments down below. Let me know if you watch us for future videos. And I'll see you guys next time.